So hi everyone, welcome to another video for Python for cybersecurity. So this is a lab setup video where I'm going to tell you multiple options how you can set up lab for this entire course. So the things that we are going to cover, first thing, we'll be having multiple options for lab setup. So first thing, we'll go for the virtualization option. Another thing is uh, a software for running code. Another is main OS. So, and I am going not going to waste a lot of time on tell you how to install and do all those stuffs because that is very easy. And here we go. So for the first thing, virtualization, I would suggest you for going for the virtual machine. So here, how you can download this? Just Google out VirtualBox, and you'll get an option. Just click here, and if you scroll it little bit down, then you'll get an option download VirtualBox 7.0. So here you can select the platform you're using. So right now at the current time, it's 7.0.18 VirtualBox version. So you can download from Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Solaris, or Solaris 11 IPS host. So in my case, right now I'm using Windows. I'm not a Window lover. I use Linux, but right now I'm going to use the Mac OS host. So just click here to download the virtual machine, and this is from Oracle. And I'm using it from the starting, so I suggest you because this is a lot stable. Now we need a ISO file which is of image for the operating system. So in my case, I'm using Parrot OS, and you can use Parrot, Kali, Debian, whatever you want. In my case, I'm using Parrot, so that's what I'm suggesting you because you'll be having you'll be getting a lot of tools pre-installed. Just click here to download Parrot OS, and according to the situation, you can click and download and install. Now let me show you the configuration that I had given to this entire ISO image. So here from here you can check what are things I have allocated. Here you need to select the network instead of floppy, and optical is not required. Hard disk and network is required. This is what the memory I have allocated. Processors, how much I have allocated. Next lesson is enable nested paging. Display, I have given the maximum video memory, and storage is here is the ISO image which I had selected from my system that I have downloaded for the Parrot OS. Network NAT is there. Share port. This is these are the default setting. USB. They are default setting, and yeah, the other setting that you can do for your virtual machine. And after booting up the Parrot OS, you will get this interface. So let me show you how you can run up what you say uh, Python file here. So just click here anywhere wherever you want to create just a program, and select up Python 3. So let's give it a name, test.py. Let's keep it here. Okay, and now open a terminal. Right click, open terminal. If you type ls, then you'll get entire files and folder which is on the same directory, because right now I'm on desktop. So here you can see test.py. So first of all, give it a permission chmod plus x for the execution, and test.py. Now clear the screen, and python 3 test.py. So here you go. This is the exact what was written under it. So let me show you what was the code inside this page, this Python file. So let's open with the Pluma, and here you can see on the screen this was the code that was written. So this is very basic actually, running Python, uh, whatever code you want. I always prefer you to run on uh, Linux. By doing using cat command, you can also see what is inside this file. So that's how you can run in the Linux. Now let me power up this machine. So it's not record right now. So I just shown you how you can use ParrotOS for running a Python file. Now the next thing is there is something which is called Visual Studio. So you can also use this one if you're using what you say Windows, Linux, wherever. If you don't want to get install a new operating system or don't want to do a virtualization, then you can simply just do this stuff. Just download the virtual Visual Studio, and this will be good to go. There's a lot of software available, but I recommend you to do this one. Uh, New file. Let's keep any name. Uh, VIEH.py. Then you need to select what you want to give a name to this file. Done. So here a new file will be open. Now let's say if I want to print just a basic Python code. I am cybersecurity from VIH. Okay, so it's done. Just click here for compilation, and here you go. You can see here it's running. I am learning cybersecurity from VIH. So this is very basic again. Just a click, and it will be running. You can also go through the command that I've shown you in the virtual machine, and you can actually why I'm telling you for visual code is here you will get the terminal access, which will be much more beneficial for you if you are doing a lot of coding steps and all. So this was done. Now the next thing we can do is you can use any software which can be Anaconda, which can be a lot of Python software interpreters. But one more thing that you can do is if you have low-end configured operating system in your uh, PC, then you can just install another operating system by doing dual boot. I don't recommend you to do dual boot because I guess 7 years back my system just fucked up because of dual boot. So don't do that. But if you want, there's a lot of tutorials available on the internet. So dual boot, what does exactly it means? Okay, let's say you have a PC. Okay, you are running with a 4 GB RAM and very basic configuration like i3 4 GB RAM. This is a basic thing that you have and 2 GB graphics card. So running a virtual machine is little tough on that system. So what you do? This is a PC and uh, operating system is running, which can be a window, and parallelly another operating system can run on the same machine. So what does it do at the time of booting your operating system? You'll get two options. First thing, the window, and second thing is the another operating system that wants to run. So at the time of booting, you need to select exactly what you want to run. My case, I was using ParrotOS with Windows 10. So this is also what you can do, but I recommend you to go for the virtual machine. Or else if you don't want to virtualize your system or don't want to use any virtual things, then just go for the VS Code. Okay. So I guess that's all. VS Code can be downloaded from here, the official website code.visualstudio.com. Just click here and it will get downloaded. So I guess that's all for the video. Lab data bit done, and now in the next video we are going to learn a coding steps. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.